In this video, you'll learn how to reset your password on Binance. By following these steps, you'll regain access to your account securely and efficiently. First, navigate to the Binance login page. You can do this by typing the Binance URL into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, look for the Forgot Password link, which is typically located below the login fields. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. After clicking Forgot Password, you will be directed to a new screen prompting you to verify your identity. Here, enter the email address or phone number associated with your Binance account. Once you have entered your information, complete any additional verification steps that may appear, such as entering a code sent to your email or phone. This step is crucial for ensuring the security of your account. Once you have successfully verified your identity, you will be taken to a page where you can set a new password. It is important to create a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering your new password, you will need to confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. Make sure both entries match to avoid any errors. After confirming your new password, look for a button labeled Submit or Reset Password and click it. The system will process your request, and upon completion, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. This message will guide you on how to log in with your new credentials. Finally, return to the Binance login page and enter your email or phone number along with your newly created password. Click the login button to access your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, double check that your new password meets the security requirements and that you have completed all previous steps correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.